Even though we have multiple types of communication in the public service, we will focus on four, and that would be the minute paper, the memorandum, the circular, and the letter. First of all, let's look at the minute paper. The purpose. The minute is the basic form of intra-ministerial, intra-department communication. It is used for communication between officers who share the same file. That means it is an internal document. The minute paper is used to ask for or give advice, information, instructions, guidance, or directives on a particular matter. It is used to make suggestions, recommendations, or propose a course of action on a matter and authorize a course of action. The original minute, the format. The original minute is typed on a minute paper. That means at the very top, you would have the words minute paper. Minutes are sent to offices and not individuals. This means a minute is sent to the function or title of the officer. For example, FAS and in bracket Brown. This comes before the reference title. When an officer receives a minute, he or she should indicate by drawing a line through the heading indicating his office. For example, FAS Sims will initial the cancelled heading and date the same. And we will look at an example later on. An original minute paper can have many minutes, that is, notes or comments written on it. Each minute is identified by a letter which is circled. As each officer receives it, he or she should draw a line through its post, initial and date it. If he or she writes another minute, he will use the next letter. Writing a minute paper. Here are some things to remember. A minute is sent to an office. For example, PS. A junior officer never sends a minute directly to his or her minister. The minute is submitted through his supervisor to the permanent secretary or head of department, who in turn forwards the minute to the minister for his approval, comments, or otherwise. A minute should be concise and clear. An officer can use abbreviations and acronyms in minute papers. It should be presented in point form, numbered except for the first paragraph. The minute paper should have a topic which should be underlined to separate it from the rest of the minute. The first paragraph tells specifically what matter is being discussed in the minute. The body holds supporting information in sequential logic. The last paragraph asks for some action to be taken, for example, submitted for approval, submitted for further instructions, directives, or submitted for your information. The sender of the minute signs, his or her title follows. The date goes under the title of the officer. Always edit and proof before sending.